Okay, we're going to have a look at optimizing problems. The key words that you're looking out for, if they're asking for the max or min, this is this topic, max or min. So always follow this order. Number 1, use the information to get an equation with only one variable. That means like one, all in terms of x's or all in terms of y's. You'll see that as we go through it. Second stage, differentiate and set equal to 0 and solve. It's a bit like finding the turning points. Number 3, find the second derivative to prove if it's max or min. And number 4, check you've answered the question. So we'll run through this. It might take a few questions until you actually get this. So, first one, example. The sum of two numbers is 12. Find the minimum value of the sum of the squares. So pick two numbers. We'll just call them x and y. We add to give you 12. I want the sum of their squares. So we'll call that s. The sum of their squares means it's x squared plus y squared. Now I'm still on point 1 here. I'm using the information to get an equation with one variable. At the minute I've got two variables here. So I want to eliminate either the x or the y. It doesn't matter which one. So I'll use this line up here to write y equals. Just bring that x over. I will take that y and put it in here. So I've got x squared plus y squared. I'm going to multiply out that bracket. So x squared plus 144 minus 12x plus x squared. I'm now going to tidy it up. So I have got 2x squared minus 24x, add 144. So I now have used the information to get an equation with only one variable. Part 2. You differentiate this and set it equal to 0. Now I don't have y equals, I've got s equals. So I write ds by dx. That's your s, and then differentiating the x's. So you differentiate this, and it's just like finding a turning point. You set it equal to 0. So set that equal to 0 and solve. So you have 4x equals 24, so x equals 6. As with turning points, you always find the other one anyway, so find the other variable, so it's y. So y equals 12 from up here, minus x is 6. Now the bit that people tend to forget to do is the second derivative. Whenever you were doing turning points, when you differentiate it again, it told you if it was max or min. So if you differentiate that again, you get 4. It's under 0, so it's, 4 is above 0, so it's a minimum. And then part 4, check you've answered the question. My question says find the minimum value of the sum of the squares. At the minute I've just found x and y. I haven't actually found the sum of the squares. So sum of the squares is your x squared plus your y squared to give you 72. Now what we'll do, we're going to work through exercise 8e. So I'll give you a chance to copy up those notes, and then I'll put more videos up for 8e.